Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you correlation, measures of correlation. Firstly, I will tell you I am Sadhana Tripathi from NBGI ABM. As you know, students, we will go through this topic, this chapter, measures of correlation. Okay, you now ready to start and take out your notebooks. Note down what I am speaking, what I am telling, what I am illustrating. Okay. So now, Carl-Parsons, students, there are four methods of illustrating measures of correlation. First, scatter diagram, I have told you, and second, Carl-Parsons coefficient correlation, and third, Spearman's rank correlation. Fourth, concurrent deviation. Okay. Now today I am tell you Carl-Parsons coefficient of correlation. What is Carl-Parsons coefficient of correlation? The correlation coefficient tables denotes as R. XY is the ratio of the covariant x and y to the product of standard deviations x and y. Okay. What is the formula of correlation coefficient? Correlation coefficient equal covariant xy upon sigma x into sigma y, where covariant xy equal covariance between x and y and is computed as sigma x upon n. What is the formula of computed as? It means mean. Sigma x y upon n, where sigma x equal sigma x minus mean and sigma y equal sigma y minus y mean and sigma x equal standard deviation of x, sigma y equal standard deviation of y. Understand? And now we will go through, there are as well as same previous process, likewise dispersion, likewise mean, median and mode. Here is given Dyck method. Dyck method is, it means sigma x equal root sigma x square upon n, sigma y equal root sigma y square upon n, and correlation formula is simple. Firstly, we will find sigma x and sigma y, then sigma r, sigma x y upon root sigma x square into sigma y square. Now students, today we are going to illustrate, we are going to learn some process and method of correlation find out. Okay. So now I am going to illustrate x, if given x and y, there is given x and y. But I will tell you how to calculate correlation and through Dyck method. Okay. Here is given 10, 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 9, 12, 14, 13. How many numbers? There are 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And sum of numbers, sigma x equal 120. Now students, here is given x equal x minus x mean. Firstly, we will find out x mean. Means of x and series x mean equal sigma x upon n equal how many? Total of sum of numbers 120 upon 10 equal 12. So here is x equal 12. Okay. And then here is given y numbers, there are also 10, and how sum of total numbers 100, and then we will take the total number 100 upon 10 and divided by the 10 into, it means this is the y equal 10. Understand? Then what are we doing? So firstly we will take here what? X minus mean. What is x minus 12? So what are you doing? And you have to what? Minus. It means this is the I will write here x. What is x? X is 10 minus mean means 12 equal minus 2. Understand? And next 12 minus 12 equal 0. And next 11 minus 12 equal minus 1. And 13 minus 12 equal 1. And 12 minus 12 equal 0. Okay. And 14 minus 12 equal 2. And 9 minus 12 equal minus 3. And 12 minus 12 equal 0. And 14 minus 12 equal 2. And 13 minus 12 equal 1. Okay? What? 1. Okay? Clear? And then next x square. What is x square? 10. 10 square equal, here is x square. And it means after this minus 2. Going 4 and 0. 1, 1, 0, 4, 9, 0, 4, 1. Understand? It means we will square. We will go square. It means 2 square 4, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 and so on. And then we will count it. What? We will count it. Sigma x square. Here is sigma x. Okay. I will no need of addition. 4, 1, 5, 6 and 4, 10, 19, 23, 24. There are sum of square, total are 24. Okay, and students, then we do here what? Y. How to calculate? Firstly write down here 7 and then 10. Okay, minus 3 and 9 minus 10 minus 1, 12 minus 10 equal 2. 9 minus 10 equal 1. 13 minus 10 equal 3. And 8 minus 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 10 equal 0. 12 minus 10 equal 2. And 7 minus 10 equal 3. Minus 3. Okay. And 13 minus 10 equal 3. Understand? And what are the sum of? And then minus 3 square 9, 1, 4, 1, 9, 4, 0, 4, 9, 9. Correct? Understand? Firstly, we will find out mean, x minus mean, then and same process of in y series. Okay, and total sum of, what is total sum of? 9, 10, 14, 15, 24, 28 and 32. 32, 9, 32, 9, 41, 41, 9, 50. There is 50. Sigma x y square equal 50. Understand? What? sigma y square equal 50. Then calculating x into y. X into y. It means what are x and what are y? X 4 into 3. It means x and y. We will taking 10 and 9. This is the x and this is the y. Sorry, 7 and 10 and 7, 12 and 9. This is the x and y. But we want x and y. Understand? X and y. It means 24 and 50. Okay? 24, 50. X. So firstly we will sigma y. Sigma x 1 2 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 3 minus 3 or minus 3 0 and then 1 2 3 3 3 6. Okay, 3 3 6. Here is it means separating the then sigma x equals 0 and sigma y equal 0. Sigma y equal 0. Okay, and then 6 and 0. For 6 and 0 2 each here. Okay, and 0 and 1 2 1 into 2 and 1 1 and 0 3 0 and 2 2 4 and 3 0 minus 0 minus 0 and 0 2 0 and 2 3 minus 6 and 1 and 3 is mean 3. Am I right? Okay. What will we take? This word, this digit. It means what is x? X is minus 2 and y is minus 3. Both are multiplied. Then we will get what? 6. Actually minus minus plus. Then we will get this. And 6 0 2 1 2 1. Minus. Okay. Here is minus, there is what? Minus. And 0, 4, minus 0, 0 and minus 4. Minus 4 also. And 0, 6 and 3. There are 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? Then applying in formula. This is the very last video, but firstly you will understand what are this and then the calculating properly. So here is written sigma xy equal minus 4. How? 6 and 2 minus 3 6 and 6 minus and 3 and 3 minus and 4 some are mistaking. No 2 to 4 1 and 3 2 and 3 and 0 and 0 2 0 and 3 0 0 and 2 to 4 2 to 4 2 to 4 okay and 0 3 and 1 1 and 1 minus 1 okay 1 and 1 2 minus 1 and 0 minus 0 and minus 6 okay correct. Now what are the total? It means what are the sum of total numbers? sigma xy minus 4. So we will apply it in formula. So what are the formula? Formula is written here, sigma x minus sigma x square upon n. Where we write? We will apply it, students. Sigma x equal under root sigma x square. Where is sigma x square? Sigma x square. Here is sigma x square. It means 24. Okay. 24 upon n, it means 10. Okay. And sigma x equal 10. 24. 24 upon 10.